how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. So if you want to recover your old WhatsApp account without SIM, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After that, you can go with your settings, and under your settings of your WhatsApp, you need to just scroll down and you will have help option. Tap on help, tap on help center, and then on the bottom you will have contact us. You need to tap on contact us, and from the contact us you will have your WhatsApp support, or it may also take you to the report a problem page from where you'll be able to report the problem. So here under your WhatsApp support, you just need simply go and question that I want to recover my old WhatsApp account and I don't have access to my SIM, and it will give you some solutions on how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without SIM, or you can just simply go and report it to WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.